Looks like Halloween has come to Walmart. Let's check it out. These wreaths are new for this year. Haven't seen these before. Cool. And they're much better than the prices at Michael's. I bought a lot of this treat making stuff last year and still haven't used it. This is cool for making skull ice cubes. I might get one. I was trying to figure out why this had holes in it, but it looks like it's a shot. Put shot glasses. That's interesting. Lots of nice stuff to decorate with. Let's see if anything is new this year. This cat seems to be popular this year, this old-fashioned cat. These guys are really cute, especially the kitty. Meow. I am probably going to make bottles like this year, make them myself. For those, it looks like they got the same thing in as last year. Got some skeletons and some bones. Well, this hillbilly dude is nude. What does this guy do? How about her? I think she rocks, but maybe there's not enough room for her to rock. Creepy doll heads are new. Tombstones. I should get this for my my big blue plate thing that I have in my bedroom. Lots of different window stickers. Scary stuff to hang on your door. Clowns. I have lots of lights. Let me see what these do. Whoa! Lots of lights for this year. Lots of inflatables. Maybe I'll put mine out this year. I've never used them yet. I haven't seen these yet. Supposedly they light up to the sound of music. Interesting. We've got lots of scary masks. I should go on a search for wings again. See if we get any better ones this year. Not these though. Lots of props for your costume. And then some other stuff, I think robes maybe. These horns are kind of cool. They got other horns as well, and of course tights, so I can resupply on tights again. These are new and interesting. I've seen stuff like this on Wish before, and this dragon's kind of cool that you can wear on your shoulder. Interesting. Kind of heavy though. We've got lots of dollar stuff. I like the mug, especially the kitty. This one's cool too. I may have to get those. We'll see. These guys are cute. I could replace that rabbit with Jack maybe. More wings must be a new trend, but I'm telling you, there's better ones on Wish. This aisle is full of kids' costumes, some of which I wish I could fit in because they're really cute. I'm glad to see that Halloween finally made it to Walmart. Yay! So hopefully Michael's will also have all of their stuff, and maybe even Target now. So we'll be checking that out. See you soon. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you later. Have a nice Halloween.